All right, so we have done it again, y'all. This client right here asked for something different. Just something different. She wanted the hockey mask with a knife. I think it's like a Jason type deal. And she wanted it extruding outwards, meaning not engraving on the metal. She wanted it to look just something different, guys. This is him. It's the first time ever done by Seattle Gold Grillz, but it came out absolutely outstanding. Thank you to this client for being patient and allowing us to do the work and allowing us to, she's just very patient, man. Just came and did the mold and just waited till we called her. We just hit her up. She was so excited. This work is just phenomenal. Loved how it came out. Y'all be easy and stay safe out there, guys. Don't let anyone get you down. Stay positive, stay blessed. 100.